avuto, ho il piacere di conferirle la prima pins del Cocchi, del galletto segno dell'Americano Cocchi, la mia personale.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are in official ceremony when Erik Lorincz is going to be the first chevalier to hold the official pin from Cocchi, the first and the official pin from Cocchi, straight from Giulio Cocchi. This is amazing. This is official. Erik, how are you feeling now?
Well, I should have a speech ready, but it was very unexpected, so I'm completely speechless. But most importantly, it's very special for me to be here with all the brothers from the Baba family and enjoying this special moment with the 007 sparkling one, which is absolutely fantastic. I think it's an amazing moment, and can't say thank you enough.